Principal quantum number is given, it is 5. Azimuthal quantum number is 0. And what about magnetic quantum number? When L is 0, M has to be 0. Then S is having two options, it could be either positive or minus. So which is the correct option? 5, 0, 0, D is the correct option. Okay. So for the non-stoichiometry reaction, 2A plus B gives C plus D. Now they say that they are not clear about the stoichiometry. The following kinetic data were obtained in 3 separate experiments, all at 298 Kelvin. So first what we will do is, in order to solve this, we will write down an approximate equation, rate equation. So that is, rate is equal to, that is dC by dt is equal to K into molar concentration of A raised to X into molar concentration of B raised to Y. So you have to write down like this, and you take the minimum value of molar concentration as the initial one. So first we will take 0.1 of A and 0.1 of B, and the rate is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. And you will check, if you increase B by 2 times, what will happen for the rate of the reaction? What is happening for the rate of the reaction? So rate is as it is by increasing the molar concentration of B, right? Isn't it? So if you multiply this B with 2 and you cannot see any effect over here, why are you staying over there? That Y, what is the value of Y then? It is equal to, Y is equal to 0. Then we will check for the next possibility. So here molar concentration of A is increased. So K into 2A raised to X into B is as usual. Y is equal to 0, right? Already found out. And we can find that if you look at that rate value, it is multiplied by 2. And molar concentration of A is increased by 2 times, then the rate is increased by 2 times. That means X is valuable. What is the value of X? X is equal to 1. Then what is the rate equation? dC by dt is equal to K into molar concentration of A raised to 1, or you can even write molar concentration of A. That's it. In SN2 reaction, the correct order of reactivity for the following compound. What is the main difference between SN1 and SN2? SN2 follows an intermediate steps, right? Not intermediate step, exactly a transition state. What is the geometry of that transition state? Trigonal bipyramid. So if you take CH3 something like that, if you take like this, what will happen is the attack will happen from backside, okay, and there will be the formation of an intermediate step, right? So a transition state is getting formed, and to form this transition state, what is important is this group should not be bulky. If it is bulky, the attack of X will be in problem. It is difficult to attack. So you can easily say which is more bulkier will not have more facility to go for, it will not be more comfortable to go for SN2 mechanism. So which is more bulkier? CH3 tri-Cl will be more bulkier. So what is the answer? CH3Cl, CH3CH2Cl. A is the answer.